I'm back from the garden center and I got 3 new houseplants. One succulent, one cactus, and one more traditional houseplant. The first and tiniest plant that I got this time around is this Sulcorebutia Canigueralii Cardenas. And look at this cute cactus. So it's like this really beautiful purple, and then it has this ombre effect into green, grayish green. Unfortunately lost a little bit of soil, but yes, super pretty. And it is a small baby here, even better. The second plant that I got is this Crassula Perfoliata. I think it's also known as airplane or propeller plant. And if you look at it, you can really see why. I just loved, I've never seen like the shape of leaves like this before. And this blue color with, like gray, white coating. I think it's absolutely stunning. And I don't really have anything in my collection with this sort of shape. And the third and final plant, the one plant that when I came into the garden center, I immediately spotted and fell in love with, is this false African violet. I mean, I've seen African violets a lot, but the leaves are so pretty of this false African violet. Absolutely stunning. The botanical name is Streptocarpus Saxorum. In German it's called Blue Paul, which I think is quite a cute name because the blooms are gonna be violet or blue. And I love the leaves so much. The blooms are gonna be pretty as well, but I think the leaves alone, so much interest. They're like small pillows. And so they are green, but they have this slightest faint white contouring on the side of the leaves. I can't wait to have this in my room. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon. Bye bye.